So hey guys, welcome back to my Python series, and today in this video we will learn something about string formatting in Python. So string formatting is nothing but embedding a string with some non-string values. So let us take one example. Let us take a list of numbers and types 4, 5 and 6 and just embed these items of our numbers inside one string. So here let our string be new string. Right after this colon, we just want our items, our integers present inside our list. So for that, let's just mention this 0 inside this curly bracket for our first number, 1 for the second number, and 2 for the third number. So this is how we want to format our string. This is how we just want to format, and again right after it inside the format function for string formatting we have to pass the actual values which we want in our string. So here our actual values is the items present inside our list. So first our first item is numbers, then square bracket present at our zeroth index. Our second item is numbers present at our first index. Third item is number present at our second index. So this is how string formatting is done, and let us now print our string to see the output. And you can see here in the output, right after our numbers and right after the colon, 4, 5, 6 is printed. So this is how string formatting is done. Let us take one another example. Let us say that we want a slash between two numbers. So our name of our string is let it be a, and inside the double inverted comma, uh, let us now say mention x for first number, then slash, and y for second. And now inside the dot format, we have to pass the actual values of x and y. So here let our x be 18 and y be 34, and let us now print our string. And here in the output you can see 18/34 is written. So this is how you can do string formatting in Python, where you can embed a string with some non-string values. So here in this examples we just embedded a string with integers. So hope you guys learn something, your concepts are clear about it. If you have any doubt or question, you can post it in the comment section. I will be ready to help you.